Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, not too much to report, looking like the rest of the altcoin basket. All these other altcoins all in a range, as you can see. Pretty obvious stuff all across the board. Every single altcoin pretty much moving the same, in line with Bitcoin, which is also in a range here and looking like it's getting rejected as I predicted. If Bitcoin does continue to drop, we'll see Polygon obviously dropping out of this range here, looking like it's already trying to do so. Those two big wick rejections of that previous resistance that we can see here. This little range that we were in before, we came in, came down, took the liquidity, came back up, obviously respecting resistance and support there. This key level, which happens to be around 44 cents. The break, and now we're retesting into that area here. We are currently 50% retraced from that local move in an area where you'd probably expect to bounce, but if Bitcoin continues to bleed the market, Polygon will continue to drop down back into this range here, probably coming down into this 40-cent area, like I said in my previous videos first, maybe back down towards 35 cents, depending on how far we retrace in the markets. Right now, Polygon looking quite overextended to the downside though, and I could predict that we would probably be looking at a bounce fairly soon. But obviously, as I said, it all depends on what Bitcoin does. And if we do see Bitcoin continuing to go sideways and retracing in this range here, then we're probably going to see Polygon doing the same. Right now, not much to report. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.